Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'm putting up braiding tutorial showing us 4 ways you can braid your hair. Alright everyone, the first thing you want to do is to prep your extension. This extension I'm using here is about 16 inches thereabout. I'm not so sure, but I just got the extension because I wanted a short length. So depending on the length you want to get something that would be fine with you. So I just oiled it and I brushed it. The extension is already pre-stretched. That makes it easier. I usually love laying all my extension strands on the extension holder to make life very easy. That way I can just pick it from that holder and braid my hair. The other things you need are the jam, the tail comb, and rubber band, preferably black so it will show underneath your hair. I have mirrors on my left side and on my right side. That way I can cross-check my sectioning on both ends. Next, you want to start by sectioning your hair just as I've done and applying that jam to get a very clean section. Alright, the first method I'm gonna be showing here is this one on the first sectioning I have just created out right there. I make sure I jam it in a very good way and then secure the other part with that clip. Next, I'm gonna be picking up one black rubber band to knot it. Next is to pick 2 strands of extension on my holder and then try to cross it over each other and then hold it as if you're about to braid your hair. Partition it into 3 and then I'm just gonna braid it with the hair that has been secured with the rubber band, adding one of the attachments to the hair. I hope you understand. It's very easy. And then I would keep braiding it till the end of that extension. The other method is this one right here, still using the same method of the rubber band but a little different way of braiding. So I just secured it with a rubber band just like the first method, and then you're gonna need crochet pin. I picked the first extension, crocheted it into the hair just like this, and then picked the second extension strand, crocheted into the hair, And now I'm gonna pick both the extension and my hair all together and divide it into 3 and start braiding. The next method is also crochet method with a little difference from what we did in the second method. So here I am also doing what I did in the second method, crocheting the hair extension into my hair, but the braiding method is a little different. So just one extension first. I try to oil my hair in a way to make it blend into the extension. So that was the first extension. Then I took another extension like that and then started braiding. For the fourth method, I'm gonna be feeding in the braid extension into my hair. So what I just did there is just to start by braiding my natural hair, and then I took the braid extension and then feed it into my hair like twice before I started braiding it to the end. So you tell me what method you prefer. I don't think there is any difference in any of those. It's just braid. Braid is braid. All right, everyone. I just wanted to show us those methods. I'm not braiding the whole hair. For the major part, I'm just gonna feed in hair extension to make cornrows. I made those braids at the back in case you're struggling with braiding all your hair all the way to the back. Some might not get all the hair way back, so you might use this method to first get the back by making it out into braids and then cornrowing other parts of your hair, just as I'm showing in this video. Alright lovelies, I'm done making this hair. If you are interested in knowing how I made the other part of my hair, because I only showed the first half, if you're interested in knowing how I did the other side, I did the short video of this where I showed how I braided the other half in a short video on my channel. So what I just applied there is hair mousse to slick it down. I went ahead to tie it just to get a very neat cornrows, and then yeah, give it a little dry. I already dipped the tails of those braids in hot water, so I'm just trying to dry them off and also dry off the mousse. Alright lovelies, what do you think? I think this is not so bad at all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you loved it, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and families. Until we see again next time, remain blessed.